Oh boy, the last 2 days have been a bit of an adventure. So, I'm finally on northbound Coast Starlight, the one that comes after the one that comes for the one that I was supposed to be on, so I'm a day late. That's how American trains are in America. Anyway, the story is, yesterday's Coast Starlight ran into a poop truck, a Honeybucket truck, and ended up delayed well over 10 hours, and is actually going to be turned, which means stopped, and turned around and sent back south to restart the route at Portland instead of Seattle. So that train isn't even going all the way to Seattle. But now I'm on this train, which is currently only about 70 something minutes late, which is not a big deal. They'll be able to clear that up. They have buffer built into the schedule. But I'm heading north, back to Seattle, heading home. Whew, it has been an adventure. Some more on that in a minute. So on that note, I ain't doing anything else today. I am passing out, gonna get some sleep, and I'll wake up somewhere, hopefully, somewhere in Oregon. Get some shots and videos of the planes, and maybe we'll be cutting out of Klamath Falls or even getting into Eugene. Who knows? You never know. Train travel is always an adventure, especially here in the old United States. So on that note, till next vlog.